복습 수업, review class. So I'll give you English sentence, and then for 1 minute, you come up with your own sentence in Korean, of course. I'll give you some list of vocabulary on the whiteboard. Work on it, and then I'll give you the correct answer in Korean. Obviously, we're gonna have a different way to say things, right? You don't have to have the same answer as mine. We'll discuss the various way to speak, right? Because you can definitely have a different order than mine, okay? So that's the direction. All right, so first sentence, we're going to say, today's weather is hot. Here is the list of the vocab. You don't need to use all of them because one is wrong. I listed one to confuse you. But it's always good to know because that's common mistake. Which one is it? So I got 날씨, I got 오늘, 덥다, 뜨겁다. Use whatever the vocab necessary to come up with. Today's weather is hot. Okay, I think 1 minute is up. So my answer will be 오늘 날씨가 더워요. 오늘 날씨가 더워요. Casual, 오늘 날씨가 더워. So let's just do casual and polite for now. Okay. So do you have the same answer? Oh, very good. Well done. Okay, next one. Whose book is this? Whose book is this? This one, two possible answer. So therefore I'm gonna give various words that you can use. You can use 이것, you can use 이 책, because you can say whose book is this book, right? And you can also use, you have to use 누구, 책, 이다. Whose book is this? Or you can say, whose book is this book? But the order can be this book, whose book is, right? Or this thing, this one, whose book is. Okay, 1 minute is up. So, whose book is this book? Whose book is this? First of all, we know 누구 is who, right? And we have to say whose, which means that you need a possessive particle. So it becomes 누구의, 누구의. Remember, 의 sounds like 에 when we pronounce. Okay, so my answer would be 이 책은, this book. But I want to say, as for this book. That's why I like to use topic, right? So 이 책은 whose, 누구의 책이에요. 이 책은 누구의 책이에요? This book, whose book is? Whose book is this book? Or you can say 이것은, right? This one, this thing. 이것은 누구의 책이에요? If this was casual, 책이야. Next one, we're gonna say my friend is a teacher. My friend is a teacher. So this one, you do need to remember how to say my. And you can say this in casual or polite. So I'll give you both. So 내 친구 선생님이다. And you can use these for casual or you can use these for polite. Okay, time is up. My friend is a teacher. So, polite form. First of all, you probably already know. 저의 contraction 제, 나의 contraction 내. So if you wrote the longer version, that's totally fine. So I'm gonna write this in polite form. So I'm gonna say 제 친구는, so my friend, 선생님이에요. 제 친구는 선생님이에요. My friend is a teacher. If this in casual form, then you would say 내 친구는 선생님이야. So are you changing this to 내 친구는 선생님이야. Maybe we can use this one. I'm sure you know this. You should know. How to say I am American. I am American. And this also you can speak in casual or polite. Vocab list. Not too hard. 저, 나, 미국, 사람이다. People always ask me, do I have to say I for this one? Because, you know, Korean don't really say I, you, she, or he. This one, yeah, you should say, because you want to say I am American. If someone asks you, you know, if they're all saying this, I'm Canadian, I'm Australian, I'm Korean, I'm Chinese, and you just say American. You know, it sounds weird. So you should say I am for that context. Alright. So correct answer. Polite form. 저는 미국 사람이에요. 저는 미국 사람이에요. You can also say, I think I also talked about this. 미국인, right? 저는 미국인이에요. If it's casual, then you say 나는 미국 사람이야. 나는 미국인이야. Okay, last one. I have a lot of homework. Yeah, let's say I for this one also. 나 숙제 많다. Either polite or casual. I have a lot of homework. Alright. Polite form. 저는 숙제가 많아요. 저는 숙제가 많아요. I have a lot of homework. Casual. 나는 숙제가 많아. 나는 숙제가 많아. Okay. So good job. You guys have fun. I'll see you in 2 weeks. 안녕.